Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I cook a breadfruit. This is the breadfruit and I'm going to show you how it's cooked. Welcome to Princess Jen channel. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I cook a breadfruit. This is the breadfruit and I'm going to show you how it's cooked. A lot of people have questions about this breadfruit, so I'm going to show them how it's cooked. First you cut the breadfruit in a half and in another half. Right? So this is how you peel it. Now you could boil the breadfruit with the skin if you want, or you could boil it without the skin. So this is how you peel the breadfruit. Okay, it's a little ripe here because this breadfruit turned a little ripe, so I'll cut the ripe part. Now you could either cut it in another half or you could leave it whatever size you want, but this is it. You put it in a bowl of water so you could wash it. I'm going to peel the rest of the breadfruit and I'll show you how to cook it. So if you cook it with the skin, that means when it's cooked you have to peel off the skin. If you cook it without the skin, when it's cooked you don't have to peel off the skin. So it's two choices you have. I'm finished peeling the breadfruit. So here's the water. Wash it. Just plain water, right? Then you throw out this first water. Give it a second water. And wash it. Okay, here I am to the stove with a pot of boiling water. So I'm going to put the pieces of breadfruit in there. Just plain water, guys. You put a little dash of salt. I have some half of an onion. Put it in there. Dash of oil. Guys, I'm going to use some clear plastic wrap. Cover the pot with it. And then I'm just going to cover the pot. So let me just show you what it looks like first. Then you cover the pot. The reason why I put the plastic is because I want it to steam. And then you just leave it on for like 20 minutes. But 20 minutes, you check it with a fork. If it goes straight through it, that means it's cooked. So I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay guys, the 20 minutes is up and I am here to see what the breadfruit looks like. So first you uncover it. You remove the plastic. And let's put this fork through it. See? It went straight through. That means it's cooked. Breadfruit is cooked. Now what you are going to do, you are going to remove the breadfruit from the water, because if not it's going to absorb all that water and it's not going to be firm. So I'm going to show you how to drain out the breadfruit. Is either you do one or two things. You can remove the breadfruit one by one from the pot like this, or you can cover the pot and you drain out the water. So this is how I drain out the water. I'm just going to pour it in another container. Cover the pot again. And this is your breadfruit. Nice and firm. It's not mushy or it did not suck up the water to be kind of watery. It's very firm. That's the breadfruit, guys. This is how you cook your breadfruit. This is the breadfruit that I drain out the water from. This is the one where I removed it from the water, and there is the water you have, the leftover water. This is how you cook your breadfruit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below.